So we're gonna do an exercise to help you build your confidence in balance. And here's a hint, rigidity is not your friend. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take one foot, let's do right foot first, and step forward, landing on a bent knee, exactly. And then shift your weight back onto your standing leg, find 2 feet again. Exactly, Bob, try that to the side. And then you can do the same thing to the back. Take the right foot, shift, land on a bent knee, and then come back to center. That's good. Do a few more of those. Let's do front, side, back, maybe 2 more times. That's great. When you do this, it might be nice to have something to hold on to. We're using a chair here, but anything that's about a comfortable height for you is a great option. Bob is doing a great job of keeping his standing leg, his left leg, straight like a peg leg and landing strongly on that landing leg each time. That's great. This is a great starting point. And when you feel confident to move on, you can shift your weight forward and maybe arrive on one leg without putting your foot back down all the way. Can you show us that option? Just one foot. Yeah, that's great. Makes it a little bit more challenging. A lot of times we think about balance in a very still, stiff, rigid way. That's actually not the way that balance works. If you're losing your balance, it's likely to happen when you're moving and in motion, maybe falling or tripping. And balance itself is a really dynamic activity. Your body has to be aware of what's going on, and the signals have to be communicating all the way. So it's great to practice this with a little bit of motion and finding your balance again each time. Great job.